I uploaded the shorts of me and the keys, but I wasn't playing the piano, I was playing the guitar. And not just single notes, I was strumming. I've had a load of people asking me, what VST is that? How did you do it? So with that in mind, I thought I'd do a video showing you how to strum the guitar using this amazing VST called Ample Guitar. So you can start using this in your beats, start creating some amazing strum patterns. And the best thing about this VST as well is it's free to start with. There's paid versions, but if you want to get started, you can use the light version, get yourself up and running and strumming the guitar on your keys. What's going on, it's KC, welcome back to my channel, hope you're well. So in this video I'm going to give you the tools so that you can start creating some fire guitar strum type of beats so you can start creating today. But before I do that, I'm going to quickly shout out my 2 new subscribers to show my appreciation for being a part of the community and just following my journey as I build this YouTube channel. And the best comment for this week, loads of comments coming through, positive ones, good energy, just how we like it. So yeah, let's dive into this video. I'm going to show you how to use this guitar VST. I'll show you how easy it is for you to create some fire. You've downloaded Ample Guitar. If you haven't done that, there's a link in the description so you can just quickly download that and then follow what I do in the video. You've downloaded the VST, so we'll open up Ample Guitar. It's just going to play notes like normal. Headphones on. Like, how dope does that sound? Amazing. So once you've opened Ample Guitar, go to Strummer, click on Strummer, turn on Strum Mode, and then you can see you've got a little pattern selection here. You can change that, you can add in notes, you can take out notes, and just go through the different sections, which ones you like and which ones you don't like. Then all you've got to do is, the right hand side is your strum pattern, and then the left keys are your notes. Show you what this can do. Strum 1, strum 2, and you've got like a muted strum as well. So that's the black keys. On the left side, you play the notes or the chord that you want to play. And with a drum pattern, this is what it sounds like. If you want to start getting technical and having in the guitar scratch, then you can easily do that by all the keys down the left hand side. Just have a play around with it. That's how easy it is to strum. If you don't like the pattern that's there, you can change the pattern, the strum pattern. You can add notes in. Take notes out if you want to. It's as if it's a real guitarist. I know some guitarists would be like, nah, you can't, not ever gonna sound like a real guitarist, but this, here, if it's even just to get some ideas down, it's amazing. And that's how easy it is for you to create some patterns, for you to create some fire guitar beats. If you look on the Ample Guitar as well, it shows you what chord you're playing, your different chord notes. It's your canvas, it's your blank canvas, you can do whatever you want with it. That's how easy it is to just get something going. So you got your pattern, Shift and R, and that will bring up what we've just played without having to press record if you don't want to. And then just throw an 808 in there. And that's how simple and easy it is to create a guitar beat. Jeez. Even the soul in his face, see yourself fall in the rain, and the soul in the pace, and then like a soul in the grace. So now you've seen how easy it is to strum a guitar on your MIDI controller. Now, how amazing does that sound? If you're still unsure how to use it, drop me a DM on Insta. DMs are always open, always happy to help, or just drop a comment below. If you're using it already for your beats, drop a link to your beats and I'll have a listen to it. Be sure to check out some of my playlists that will help you to level up your game on production and mixing. And if you like this video at all, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you get notified anytime I put up a new video. Appreciate your time.